Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to customize URL in LinkedIn. Friends, if you want to customize your profile URL in LinkedIn, then you need to open LinkedIn app. Now here you need to press on the profile picture. Now press on settings. Now in settings press on visibility. In visibility press on public profile settings. Now here you will find option to customize your URL. So simply press on this pencil icon and here you will find the option to customize your URL. So here you can add your name etc. Like my name is already written, so I will write India. Now I will try to save it. Now it has given me this URL www.linkedin.com/in/Ankit Walia India. So friends, like this you can very easily customize your URL in linkedin.com. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.